Hi, today we're going to be opening up and taking an unboxing review of Spin Masters BAKUGAN Battle Planet BAKUGAN Resistance 10 card booster pack. So yeah, they said that there's the mobile app game. Mobile app game is kind of garbage. I mean, it's okay, but they had it on the Google Play Store and now they still have it, but it's not compatible with my phone anymore, which is really stupid because like a couple months ago I had it on my phone. I was playing the game, and then now it says, "Oh, it's no longer compatible with your phone." I'm like, what the f? You let me download it. You let me play it a couple months ago, but now I can't reinstall it. Yeah, so yeah. And if anyone's wondering how come I don't have like any of the new Bakugan plant, Bakugans to show you, truth be told, they're actually pretty pricey. I mean, like one of them's going for like about $10 to $15 just for one. And it's nothing, like special, limited, exclusive edition. It's just standard old Bakugan. And it's like, yeah. And you see, like, some of these free pats and 5 pats and stuff. And they're like $30 or something. I'm like, nah, for like $30, I could buy a video game. I could, put it towards gas for my car. I could, like, put it towards a bill or something like that. Like my cable and internet bill. Or my phone bill. The prices need to drop down lower. And you don't even have anything like special exclusive except for like I think Kachu, which is like this little panda polar bear. Well, it's a polar bear, but you get what I mean. It's like cute, more like a panda. But yeah, I mean at least with the original Bakugans, they kind of kept out with other things to kind of keep going out with on gimmicks. Like they had like a Iron Man one. I think they had a Venom one. Not too sure if they had a Carnage or a Spider-Man, but I know they had an Iron Man one. Then they had like, remember the little weapons and traps that they had for like Bakugan Surge, Resurgence, Medallion Invaders, all those ones. Where some of them even had like things gimmicks like you close up when you roll it and it lands on the metal gate cards and it opens up. The B power keep on changing. Well, back then they called it G power, I believe it was. So like, if you hit like a Pyrus one that Mochi, I don't remember what the Pyrus one was called, but it's the one that the character Mochi used. And the original one was the original, the good Dan, and everyone else. And its G power changed. Some they throw out a little dice which would turn their G power. Like if it's 5, it's 500G. If it's 2, it's 200G. Onward and so on was that. And then they had like the big ones that all the traps would combine and stuff to form like this giant like Drago and stuff, which is really kind of awesome and cool. But now we don't have that. We have a garbage app. Doesn't really explain that much, and Bakugan is way too overpriced, and we don't have any limited special exclusive edition ones or like crossovers like how they did with like the Marvel Iron Man and I believe Marvel. I want to say Spider Man because I believe there was like I said a Venom one. But other than that, yeah, it's not that great. Maybe the toys are a little better to play with, but the anime and the app not that great compared to the original. But yeah, anyway, let's open it up. So yeah, you could go to Bakugan.com and spinmasters.com. Links down below in the description to those websites for you. But yeah, I hate when boxes put their little booster pads in these little colored boxes because a lot of collectors, we love to take these boxes and collect them and pin them to our wall and stuff. And then until you get them out, they're garbage. They're broken. They're like all torn up. Like here's a case in point for example. Like look, who wants to take this and try pin that to their wall? Yeah, no one. No collector wants to really do that. So any card companies out there, don't put them in these little stupid cardboard partitions. Or if you do make them easier, like a little flap that you just gotta like take a little pair of scissors or a little hobby knife and just, you know, slip the little tape on there and then pull it out. That would be something that would be great and easy. And then we still, for us collectors, get to keep the box in perfect condition. Except minus, you know, the little seal that, you know, you have to cut to get the pat out. I mean, Pokemon, they do that with like their big old Pokemon pats and stuff. Like, here, for example, like with ones like this. Yeah, it looks all nice, except for when you gotta tear the side of the box open. Like, why can't you just put a little flare that you just open up? Like, I don't know, anything else that they have. Or if they want to make them a little more secure, put them in like the little blister pads. The, I can't find it, but I had like some Yu-Gi-Oh ones that was in a blister pad. You know what I'm talking about. Like, how if you see like some Yu-Gi-Oh ones where like, here's the two cards, and like those little pads like that. Or why not just put like, if they're going to sell them, you know, individually, like pads like this, just put a little metal strip on there that, you know, you go past a little metal detector and it goes beep, 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 beep. And you're like, oh man, I got caught stealing a stupid pad of cards. Wasn't anything great like a TV or an Xbox or, you know, anything good. It was a pair of cards. No, I have never got caught doing that because I never did that. But you get what I mean. There'll be some way to kind of save the packaging. But yeah, there is a difference between the two. There's obviously a Brawler's pack and a Resurgence pack. And there's also, I don't know how good you can see it here, but there is two different codes here. So for the Brawler's pack, the code is 81015AZV. And for the Resurgence pack, it's 90222. That's 3 twos or triple two. AZV. Doesn't really matter. There are going to be blind cards in here and stuff. But yeah, let's try to get this pack open up and not destroy as much. Like this one actually decided to open up pretty good. But yeah, and there's your cards inside. So yeah, don't know why companies decide to do it like that, but that's just guards. Because I mean, why put them in a nice packaging if you're going to rip up the packaging? Why not just put it on like this little foil? I don't know how good you can tell, but there is a little notch right there. So you can tear off the notch, but I'm old school, so I like to just shake the pat, get the cards pushed down, and then try to get it open. Which I have to say, these ones, they do make them kind of sticky, so not sticky, but kind of hard to open, so unfortunately here, we are going to have to kind of cheat a little bit. So let's see what cards we have gotten in here. Flame Wave. I would call it Heat Wave, but I guess they didn't want to, you know, take any action on step on any toes of the Transformers, like Heat Wave from Transformers Rescue Box and stuff. Yeah, it costs free, and it gives your Pyrus 600B, Hyper Fingers Ultra, costs free. So 600B, Evolve, and 10 little fists. Right there. Then we have Magma Shield, cost free. Pyrus Action. I guess this one is also Pyrus. Well, it is Pyrus, but you know, you don't see the little symbol down there. Plus free fighting. If that battle gun is holding a shield and a triple fireball. Oh look, we got another one of the oh no, this one's different. We have Pyrus Heat Shield. So we have Magma Shield and now we have Pyrus Heat Shield. Okay, and their card stats are different. I just saw, the shield with the pirate symbol on there and stuff. So action 400 plus B. Fury. If you have no cards in your hand, plus 8 fists. Unstoppable energy. Cost free. Aquas 600 B. If that Bakugan is holding a green reverse punchy fist, because usually the punchy fist has like a little burst on it and like uppercut type of punch, while this one's kind of like a straight little jab. Plus 2, I don't know, Infinity Star things. Then we have Hyper Dragonoid Ultra. B500 Evolve Fist is punchy 5. This one costs 2. Again, the little jab fist plus 400 B and plus 3 uh, uppercut. So this one's for darkness. I think this one's probably going to be your best card to get all of them. Because it gives you 500 plus an extra 400. Oh, cool. We got Hyper Finger Ultra again. But this time, as you can see, it's in the darkness. This one was in Pyrus. And there's also a difference. Cost is the same. And things, but this one has more B. This one has less B. This one has 3 punch. This one has 10 punch. And this one also has a little symbol that looks like a S. So I don't know what the heck that little S with the line there. Almost looks like a little money symbol. Then we have Hyper Gorf. Cost free 900 B. Evolve 3 punch. Victory. Draw a card. Now this one has a little ways text on there that you can fill.